Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily create a great video edit on CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is open your CapCut and start a new project. Then just select your videos that you want to add to the grid. Okay, I'm going to just add from the stock videos. Example, this one. Okay, I've already selected 3 videos. Then just click on collage, and in here your grid video will be created. You can change the format and ratio. I'm going to just choose the horizontal format like this, but I'm going to change the ratio into 9:16. You can also adjust the position of the clip. You can drag it to the left or right, up and down, or you can just leave it as it is. When you're done, just click on continue at the top right corner, and in here you'll see the result of the grid video. If you want to edit more, you can always do that. For example, you can add a flag, filter, or other edit that you want. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.